Lesson 3: Data Processing and Computer Networks. In this lesson, we explore how data is processed, validated, and shared across networks. Computers process data in binary, a number system where each digit can take only two distinct values, 0 and 1. Data can be processed in different modes. Batch processing collects and processes a group of transactions at a scheduled time, like calculating monthly payroll for all employees. Real-time processing must respond continuously to sensor inputs within strict time constraints, such as an aircraft autopilot. To ensure accuracy, we use data validation and data verification. Validation checks that data is sensible and meets rules, like a range check ensuring an entered age is between 0 and 120. Verification checks that data has been entered accurately. A common verification technique is double entry, requiring the same data to be entered twice for comparison to prevent transcription errors, which occur when humans miscopy data from a source. Once processed, information is often shared via computer networks, which offer advantages like sharing printers, files, and internet connections. A local area network, or LAN, covers a limited geographic area, such as a building, whereas a wide area network covers large regions. Networks can be organized as peer-to-peer or server-based, where dedicated servers centralize services like file storage and authentication. We also define networks by their topology. A star topology is easy to manage, but if the central switch or hub fails, the whole network segment stops communicating. A mesh topology provides multiple alternative paths between nodes, improving fault tolerance. To connect different networks and choose data paths, we use a router. Finally, for the actual connections, fiber optic cable generally offers the highest performance over long distances because it uses light signals and is immune to electromagnetic interference.